The grasslands, oak woodlands, and chaparral on Fort Ord National Monument are some of Return of the Natives' oldest restoration sites. Return of the Natives and the Bureau of Land Management have been working together since 1995 on habitat reconstruction of eroded roads that were used when the area was a military training base. Eroded areas in Fort Ord make it difficult for plants to grow and keep soil in place. Without habitat reconstruction, the roads would get wider over time, changing our landscape from a mosaic of habitats into eroded cliffs and gullies. Through partnership with BLM, Return of the Natives, and volunteers, thousands of plants from the Ron Greenhouse are planted each year in Fort Ord National Monument during school field trips and public weekend planting events. Plants are an essential part of a habitat. A habitat is a place where animals live, where they have access to food, shelter, and water. Think of your favorite habitat, like a desert or a rainforest. What kinds of animals live there? What characteristics help them thrive in their environment? A rabbit, for example, can camouflage very well in a forest, while a fish has adapted to breathe underwater. Habitats are not constant everywhere, and places are often a combination of multiple kinds of habitats. Take a moment to think of where you live. Your habitat is made up of your house and combines with the habitats of the houses in your neighborhood, schools, parks, libraries, and more to form the city where you live, or your ecosystem. You interact with these different parts of your habitat every day. Even though your house may not be the same as your library, both your house and the library are a part of your city's ecosystem. Fort Ord is made up of a mosaic of habitats, from oak woodland, grassland, vernal pools, and maritime chaparral. Fort Ord is also one of the only places in the world where you can see a maritime chaparral habitat, which is only found in less than 2% of terrestrial land on Earth. This habitat type is usually dry, but plants have adapted to be drought tolerant, meaning they don't need water for an extended period of time, or use other methods to collect water, such as taking in moisture from fog. Plants here also rely on fire to germinate their seeds. Controlled burning practices by Native Americans benefited this habitat by removing overgrown brush and allowing new plants to grow. Vernal pools are also a rare habitat that occurs during the rainy seasons in Fort Ord. Vernal pools are home to an abundance of rare animals, including the endangered tiger salamander. Grasslands in Fort Ord are also essential to the landscape, as they are one of the last few native grasslands in the state. Here you can find budge grasses, such as our state grass purple needlegrass, which can have roots as long as 25 feet below the surface. When you visit Fort Ord National Monument, take a close look at local native plants. What do you notice about the leaves, flowers, and stems? What adaptations do you think they have that help them survive in their environment? You can even try finding a quiet place to sit and watch for animals that interact with these plants, such as butterflies, coyotes, and ground squirrels. If you bring a journal, you can draw and jot down notes on your observations. If you would like to be part of Fort Ord's restoration, visit us at our next planting event. You can check out our upcoming dates on our website, www.csumb.edu/ron.